Well, hello there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind 007. On today's episode, we have this right here. Thunderbolt Solar 18-watt foldable solar panel. So this comes from Harbor Freight, and as you can see, I have already opened it and I've been testing it already. So I just put it back in the box for this video. So let's open it up. And this is what you get. So it folds and unfolds like this. And you have two USB ports right here. Okay, so I do have bad news. I have been testing this already outside with several phones. And some phones, when you connect it, even during bright light, they don't do anything. And the iPhone, which is the one I'm recording with right now, I connected it. And it does seem to be charging, so you do get that Thunderbolt over the battery. So you think it's charging and then you're happy and, you know, life goes on. So I did a test. I left it outside on a table. I spread out the solar panels so they're facing up. And then I did connect my iPhone with the over here with my cable. And it did show on the iPhone that it was charging, had the Thunderbolt over the battery. And then I powered it down. And then I left for about 25 minutes and then I came back. And when I left, it was at 91%. And then when I came back, it was at 90%. So that was a big disappointment. I don't like reviewing things that don't work. But if I have to warn you about something, well, I have to warn you about it. And that's one of those videos right here. This did not work. 25 minutes, it went from 91% to 90%. Even though it did show that it was charging and the Thunderbolt was over the battery, so it was supposedly connected to something. Now I did try it with other phones, and other phones just show the they'll show a triangle with an exclamation mark, which means that it's not compatible for whatever reason. Usually the wattage is too low, or maybe the voltage is too low, I don't know. But there was plenty of sunlight. I live in Texas, and summers get really hot here, 106 Fahrenheit. So it's very hot and very bright. So this should have worked for me. It's not like I live in the North Pole where there's no light. There's plenty of light in Texas. You just look it up in the map. Southern United States near Mexico. So this should have worked, but it cannot work for my iPhone or any of my phones. So if anything, it seems to have drained the phone. So I think this is bad because I drove out to Harbor Freight. That's where I got it from, and I paid $75.76 for it, and now I got to drive back out there and get a refund. And of course, they're not going to be happy when they see me do that. Nobody likes refunds. The sellers don't like refunds, giving out refunds. But they're wasting my time, because they're wasting my time and gas because this didn't work. So if you're gonna buy this, make sure you keep your receipt. I would not recommend you buy this over the internet unless you like doing internet returns. But you can give it a shot if you want. Maybe you get better luck. And maybe this is just not working properly. Maybe there's something wrong with it. I'm not gonna bother finding out and buying another one, because it does seem to be working. Like I said, you can see the phone reacting, the Thunderbolt over the battery. And you're gonna see over here the right there, this lights up and it'll tell you how many watts. Right now it says 0. That's just from the ambient light. When I cover it, it goes out. But so it's definitely turning on. It's not completely dead. It's just not good for anything. It's just a bulky thing. But that is it. So thank you for watching. Subscribe and thumbs up.